We had started with 2 people, and today I proudly boast of having 80 plus families who are associated with us. Hi friends, I am Manisha Kaushik from Gurgaon. It is a great pleasure for me to share my story with you all. I thank the Soil Cup and the team for giving me this wonderful opportunity. I am a gold medalist genetic engineer from the army background. We started this business 25 years ago when I got married. My husband and I started this business as this opportunity came along, but that time we were very anxious and apprehensive as nobody in our families has done business in generations. This made us think, will we be able to do this? Should we take this opportunity? How will we go along? What will happen? But taking into consideration that both of us were young and did not have any liabilities, we thought that we should take the plunge and embark on this journey. It was not very popular for women to join businesses those days, but my husband thought otherwise, and so here I am. We had shifted from Pune to Delhi when this opportunity came along and Vidyut Engineers was born. We are the dealers of Kirloskar Oil Engines Limited for their after sales and services. By the grace of God, now we are the third largest dealers pan-India. Sooner, our second company, Samco Solutions India Private Limited, came into being, which is also into various services and products. Here we are into facility management, waste management, event management, interiors, security systems, to name a few. As business was not my field, it was challenging in the beginning to manage the finances, the manpower, which is the key of our business and the main man machine. As we moved on, we introduced various checklists and systems so that each stage could be managed easily and properly. This was a vision and foresight of my husband, making full use of technology. We had started with 2 people, and today I proudly boast of having 80 plus families who are associated with us. These people make me feel great sense of pride, and as they are part of my family, which is growing leaps and bounds, I really wish that all of us put together can achieve the best. There have been many achievements over the years, but when I look back, the fondest achievement was buying the first car by our own money. It gave us a great sense of pride and boast. If I was not given this opportunity to become an entrepreneur, I would have pursued my career as a research scientist and been in Navy working on the COVID vaccine. Probably. Work is worship to me. It is my firstborn, and I have put my heart and soul working with grit and determination and trying to take it forward beyond boundaries. The best part of my business is the motto, service before self and customer is God. My team works hard to satisfy the customers, and I am very proud that we have a list of happy and satisfied customers who can vouch for us. At times, the home office front and my involvement with social works may be stressing, as I am a perfectionist and do not settle for second best. I would like to look after each sphere of my life positively. I meet a lot of people in the day, and sometimes this may be stressing. To overcome this stress, I ponder on what has caused me stress, then do gardening, cooking, little bit of meditation to de-stress myself and move on. There are a lot of challenges which I face in business, and all these are sometimes they take a toll on you, so these particular de-stressing activities really help. There's hardly any time when I don't have work on my table, but when I do so, I go around the place looking after the cleanliness, discussing family issues with my employees and guiding them. Vidyut Engineers is a one-stop shop for all your power solutions. Here we couple engines with different kind of alternators for the different KVAs, so that they can be used for industrial purposes as well as they can be used for power generation. All these machines, the JCB machines, the road rollers, all these have the Kirloskar engines, and this is what we service. So we are into their after sales services. Samco Solutions India Private Limited is a very global company. In this company we do many things. Firstly, we are into facility management, that is we provide manpower to corporates, to houses. One of our major clients is IFCO, Mahindra, and many others. Besides this, we are also doing interiors. Interior was a passion, so I thought why not take it up as a profession, because then you can deliver your best. So here we are also doing farmhouses, we are doing offices, homes, and this is also need based. We will sit down with the customer and discuss and then take it forward. We provide security systems for banks. So here we are dealers for Guardwell Grandmasters, and we are also providing locker facilities, the file assistant cabinets, making them and installing them in these particular banks. Management is the need of the hour, and so we are dealing in the waste management machines for segregation and for complete conversion into manure. Here we are dealers for Ecoman Enviro. We are also into pumps, La Gajar, Varuna pumps. These are the water pumps of different kVA which are used for various applications like the agricultural applications, and also used by people in their houses for pumping the water. Besides this, we are also dealing with air purifiers by the name of Moonbro by Hindware. Air purifiers is also much needed at this particular time when COVID has set in. There is so much of problem in the air, and these air purifiers also help you sleep well. So we are a very multifaceted company. Now, besides this, we have recently started event management, where we have started doing corporate events. Before the lockdown, we have done 2-3 successful events, and we were scheduled to do a very big event in June. But hopefully, let us see. I think we'll be able to do this sometime in November. Here we are also doing weddings, birthdays, any event. So in a way, I could say that this particular company of mine caters to all the needs of the customer. We sit with the customer, understand the need, and then take it forward. To all the would-be and new entrepreneurs, today I say, work is worship and there's never a dull moment. Each day brings good and bad, and let us move forward. If we move forward compassionately and dedicatedly, we will always progress, learning, absorbing as we go on. Let us all be dedicated, motivated, charged up, good human beings, make a difference as we bring smiles moving along in the journey of our life. Thank you so much for sparing your time. I hope it was worth it. Have a great day.